Today, you'll be taken on a tour through the world of cells. We will tell you some of the basic structure and functions of cells, how the cells capture energy, where they store their energy, and how they make proteins. Stay tuned, more to come. How the cell make proteins. Proteins are assembled on ribosomes bound to the ER. Next, they go from the ER to the Golgi apparatus and what is called a vesicle. The Golgi apparatus further modifies proteins. Lastly, a vesicle from the Golgi apparatus ships them to their final destination. How cells capture energy. There are two ways cells capture energy. The first way is through chloroplast. Chloroplast converts energy from the sun into chemical energy the cell can use. The second way is mitochondria. Mitochondria converts chemical energy stored in food to a form that cells can use. The cell storage unit. These are called vacuoles. The cells use these to store things like water, salts, proteins, and carbohydrates. They also help plants support heavy structures. Intro to cells. Now we will talk about some of the basic parts of cells. This is the cell membrane. It controls what enters and exits the cells. It also protects and supports the cell. Next is the nucleus. The nucleus contains cells' DNA and coded instructions for making proteins and other important molecules. Next is the ectoplasmic reticulum. It assembles lipid components of the cell membrane, proteins, and other materials that are leaving the cell. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the small parts of RNA and proteins found throughout chloroplast in all cells. Mitochondria. The mitochondria turns chemical energy in food into compounds the cell can use. The Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus changes, separates, and packs materials from the ectoplasmic reticulum for storage or release outside the cells. Next, we have liposomes. Liposomes break down lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins into small molecules that the cell can use. Cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is used to help the cell maintain its shape. And lastly, we have the centrioles, which helps organize cell division. Well, that's all we have for you today. See you next time.